In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life or the oil change reminder on this Ram 2500. Let's get started. Inside the vehicle, turn the key to the on position, and you're going to use the left steering wheel buttons to navigate through the main menu. You're going to go down to Vehicle Info, and then press the right arrow. And then scroll down through these options until you get to Oil Life. At this point, you're going to use the right arrow to press on the reset. So hold it. That's going to change it to 100%, and it'll say 0 miles since last reset. And that's done. Oil life has been reset.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.